warning sign. It says warning, slippery route.
I will be baiting, feeding, and bamboo rafting with the elephants.
Officially in Thailand. I love it here. And it's way bigger. Oh my gosh. So if you're in this bedroom, you can literally open a curtain. Like, that is so dope. This is a cool design. But yeah, we are in Chiang Mai. I'm so happy. This is the first night. I did land at 11:40, basically 12. I'm here in the Airbnb. You know what? Let me get my mic. Yeah. So I'm in the Airbnb. I love it. It's very big. There's 2 showers. There's 2 bedrooms. Got the huge living room. The TV is in the living room. And then there's a downstairs. It was a 23-hour and change flight.
Asiana Airlines.
Asiana Airlines. They were so sweet. Everybody was so nice. Even just the people on the flight was super nice. This is my outfit right now because I'm just going to get some food. So it's early, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I also need to exchange some more US currency to baht. Is this my driver? Oh, this is my driver. Okay. This is how the Grab app looks. This is my driver. I'm going to a cafe. It has really good reviews, so I'm gonna go eat there. I'm excited. It's starting to look like in the area things are starting to open now, so it seems like a lot of things start to open about 9 a.m. It is 8:44 right now, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is the mango smoothie with the berry bowl and French toast with sausage and eggs, as well as I think this is syrup. Oh, can we walk down here? We can. Those are the things that I want to get back. I want to get on the back of. The sun is hot, but yeah. So I'm gonna walk. There's a lot of like different massage places and stuff like that, but I really want to go to this particular place, which is the women's prison. Sorry, massage place. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll probably come back down here. But okay, I'm going back to my spot so I can charge all my devices again and prepare for my next activity for today. This was 10 out of 10. And yeah, so I don't feel like chilling, so I am gonna do an activity per usual, and I am gonna go to a massage parlor. So it's a women's prison massage parlor. Yes, a women's prison massage parlor. From stories that I've heard, it's petty theft, and if it's anything major, it was more so them defending themselves or their children. Obviously it's their choice on whether they want to participate or not. So I'm excited to actually go there, get a massage, and just see what that is about.
No.
I was here? I didn't know. Thank you. It was still experience.
A couple of hours later.
Okay, so now I am going paramotoring. It was so much fun here. I would definitely do it again. 10 out of 10. Come to Upper. Wait, I can't remember the name. Okay, so I'm going to the Sunday night market and I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Just came from parasailing. Oh, I don't eat sushi, but this looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys more once I actually get in the Airbnb. But I got mango sticky rice. Hi. Thank you. Oh, really? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wow. Oh my God, they got Tom and Jerry. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to get the Jerry. Okay, y'all. So I got souvenir pasta. I bought 2 of them because I am greedy. And then we got the fried corn. I've never tasted it before. I'm looking forward to that. I also got 3 of these, the chicken. And then this is sticky rice with mango. And then the souvenirs wise, I did get this. It's like a herbal cream, like for your joints and stuff like that. I couldn't resist this, so I got it. And then I also got this. So yeah, this is all I got from the Sunday market.
1 nap later.
I'm missing one piece. Oh my gosh.
The next morning.
Okay, so this is what I'm wearing today. It's giving granny. It's okay because it's cuter in person, I promise you guys. And you know, it's giving apple picking or whatever. Don't have an iron, so it's a little wrinkly, but we're still cute. We're still cute. But yeah. Okay, so this is the market. And we're going to get food so we can do our cooking class.
Japanese ginger, but it's Thai ginger. Whatever vegetable leftover in the fridge, chop fry when we drunk, and that's why we call drunken noodles. So you cook up. So this is the carrot from this one, big pieces, and I'll cut the kale too. And cut those in big pieces.
It's good?
Yeah, I mean bigger.
A little bigger?
Bigger.
Okay. That's good.
Boiling now? Start boiling?
Yes.
Boiling on the eggs. That's around.
It's coconut. That's why. I like coconut.
Kitchen is
So I'm going go-karting. Oh, that was nice.
Chiang Mai 2025. It's a pad Thai.
I'm feeling for it. You can sit outside at Madame restaurant. Hopefully they have what we need. Y'all.
Put the eggs in the picture too?
Yes, in there. I got some eggs, y'all. This is pad thai.
Very good.
The wings. Thank you.
The next day.
Okay, so I'm going to the temples. My right now it is 6:30 in the morning. My day starts from 7 a.m. and the viewing of the temples isn't going to end until 8 p.m. So why? I don't know. I think they're like doing this whole thing, but I'm excited. You do have to cover your shoulders. You do have to cover your knees. So there's that. And yeah. Alrighty, so we're in hot springs. We're just walking around for a few moments. Okay, y'all. So this water is mad hot. This water is hot, y'all. Ah, wait. How are people putting their feet in this? Ouch. Like, yo, this is ridiculous. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Oh my God. Wait, is your feet not supposed to soak in it? I'm so confused right now. Like, I'm pretty sure this man said that we could put our feet in it. This water is hot. Oh my God. Oh, something's flying. Oh my gosh, look at how it's moving. Oh crap. Yeah, you see it? And it's like a rock.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Yo, you have a problem with the way I talk, sir?
No.
Why are you mimicking me then?
I love the way you talk. You know that.
Yeah, just use the bathroom. We can't record while we're inside. Such a beautiful scenery. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. Look how huge this is. This is actually very big.
14 hours later.
Okay, so this is the outfit for today. It's very chilled, like very, very, very comfortable, very chilled, very homey-ish. It is because it is raining, so it's pouring right now. I'm not gonna do any like real activities today. Hopefully tomorrow isn't pouring because we have activities that needs to be done tomorrow. But there's that. So again, this is the fit. It's calm, it's chilled, like. And see y'all later. So I'm in 7-Eleven and it's different snacks. This is where I am, and there's multiple vendors. Then I get these three. As you guys can see, it's been raining all day. Today was one of those slow days. Tomorrow is going to be adventurous. But I think I'm just going to take a bike and head back to the Airbnb.
The next day.
So this is what I'm wearing to the elephant sanctuary. I will be bathing, feeding, and bamboo rafting with the elephants. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna head out. I'm excited.
So the first stop is 7-Eleven, so we can get some things, and then I think we have like an hour. He either said 40 minutes or an hour drive. Hi, hello. Thank you. Oh. That's right here. Now we got walking down here to get to the waterfall. Oh shit! Let me pay attention. I'm like, swim where? I know y'all not. These people about to swim in this waterfall, not me. I don't know how to swim. I'm my mother's only child. As she always reminds me, I will be dipping my foot in the water. Ow! Fuck! I just hurt my toe. Look at this warning sign. It says warning, slippery route. So I'm in the small pool. Over here is deep. Some people can swim, so they're over there. I can't swim, so I'm staying my ass over here. Look what type of slide that is. I don't know what it is, but. Here you go. Up there's no more. Sorry. Do I let it go while I'm eating it? You can eat it. What? I'm so confused. Okay. Here. This is the family.
This damn elephant keep freaking pouring water on me.
So this is the end of my trip, guys. I did strip the bed because I was raised to do that. Hotels, Airbnbs, whatever. Always strip the bed. I am going to put the rest of the stuff on the floor in one pile. But yeah, so ready to leave and head to the airport. I'm going to my gate